Yeah. Alright guys. Hey guys.
Oh, is that my bus?
It's not my bus. This is a weird place for me to be recording in public. This is awkward as hell. You see what y'all got me doing out here, bro? And y'all want me to be a content creator? I can't do all this shit, bro. Y'all are asking for too much. If I'm at this bus station, then that can only mean one thing. I don't have my car. And if I don't have my car, that means the rap is probably done already. Wonder what color I did. Is it pink? I copied Jason's color. That's what I actually did, by the way. I'm just letting you guys know.
Well, if you know, about 2 years ago, Sonia was able to wrap my car two-tone. And I ain't gonna lie, it kind of broke the internet. A little bit. It didn't break anything. I just like saying that. It broke the internet. That being said, though, I definitely wanted to document this moment of me picking up my car with a different color and just going through everything that happened. Last time I filmed a whole vlog and didn't edit a single ounce of it. I'm just lazy. I don't like editing. I think one of the weirdest things is like, I don't know, dude. This is like my first time taking a bus like this in a long ass time. But anyway, my car is in New Jersey right now with Sonia, Arugula Garage. She gave me a deal I couldn't say no to. I got a crazy sponsorship with Ravuni Car Wrap. So go to ravunicarwrap.com, use code masseto for 12% off. It's worth it. But I'm picking up my car now. I'm excited to see how it looks. I've gotten like sneak peeks of it, but apparently in person it's a whole different beast. I think my bus is about to pull up right now. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Bombo Clyde. There's my bus right there. So that being said, I'm gonna switch to my glasses now. So I'll see you in a little bit. Listen to this.
Drugs, I'm jumping on drugs.
Don't do that, my nigga.
I'm jumping on drugs, I'm jumping on drugs.
Don't do that, my nigga.
I'm jumping on drugs, I'm jumping on drugs.
Don't do that, my nigga.
I'm jumping on drugs, I'm jumping on drugs.
Don't do that, my nigga.
I shoot my
I'm gonna keep it a whole 100 with y'all. I don't think I'm ever taking a bus like that again. I can't feel my left cheek. It's numb. This is not a truck.
It is a truck.
Why are you wearing grills? What is happening? Says, yo, I'm gonna pull up in a truck, and I'm thinking, damn, he must have like a Dodge Ram or something. This ain't no truck.
SUV.
You said truck.
Same shit.
What's up with the grills? What? You see this, bro? You see this, bro? I ain't even that important. He's taking out somebody else after me.
I'm going to Chappelle.
That's even worse. Call the cops, bro.
No.
Bro, it's 12 o'clock. What cheapo is at 12 o'clock?
Oh, no. Hello, bro.
I don't know where it is. What the fudge? There's no audio. Oh, there is one. It's down here. What are we about to do?
We going this way. Instead of going this way, we go this way. That's if I could get in front of this truck, though.
But
Don't worry, I'm a professional.
what?
Hello. So we made it.
I need to go back home, yo.
We made it.
Yo, Chief Keef should have blew New Jersey up. I'm fucking saying it right now, bro.
we
He
still have it.
should have blew New Jersey
remember,
up.
Elizabeth stole his chain. And that's where we are.
Yo, I'm going the fuck home, bro. Yo, take me back to the Greyhound, bro. Fuck it. I don't mind my ass is hurting, bro. Pause.
TK was on the run in Elizabeth.
No wonder he didn't make it far, nigga. There's too much traffic.
Welcome to Elizabeth. We have cars parked in a park. And yeah, right there.
I want to go home, bro. I got anxiety right now, bro.
Wait till we're in the Benz.
I'm not making it home, guys. Why is there cars inside of a fucking basketball court?
I don't know. It's a great question.
No bullshit. I'll never complain about Boston again. I would never complain about
There's some guy with a GT3 RS that lives here.
Where in the? This is the boys' whip. One of the few actual stanced W205s in the US.
Órale, guay, guay. Well, super genial.
Yo, my car looks so crazy, guys. Look. All right, guys, we finally made it after that interesting interaction that we had. I'm about to see the car. I'm nervous. What if I hate it? Why is there Chick-fil-A sauce in my boy is hungry sometimes, huh?
I am.
Hey, me too. He actually has shortened spindles in the front. Like, I'm not doing it. I'm good. You hear this? Like, what I need? You fucking people, bro. Let me go. Let me walk me in there. What up, guys? Hey, guys. I'm fucking blind now. Oh, I do need my key. What up, dude? Oh, it's you. I thought it was. Is the steering wheel straight?
Yeah.
No, I'm saying like it was like so tight that like I didn't know.
Can't see. Hey guys, I can see now. All right, goodbye, guys.
Wait, just
You're bald.
Oh! I was right with this color. This shit looks gorgeous.
I knew it.
That's, you know what that is? That's
Baller.
Range Rover Santorino Black.
oh,
You can see my imperfections now.
I know. But I just tried to fix most of them.
You clean my wheels? You polish my wheels?
Got a
No,
one-stop shop?
Tommy, Top.
Whatever, bro. Any wheel stuff.
I miss your love, I miss your life, I miss your love, I miss your life. I'm thinking about all this shit every night. I think about all this shit every day. How I can I hang on and feeling this way? Sometimes I wake up, I'm feeling okay, but sometimes I wake up, I won't go away. I'm feeling depraved, I'm feeling afraid, I'm feeling decayed, I'm not feeling fine. I lost it all in a blink of an eye. Look at my eyes, it do not shine. Losing you feel like I'm losing a life. Losing you feel like I went to a knife and proceeded to put it inside of my spine. Driving and thinking, I'm driving, I'm thinking, I'm driving, I'm thinking, I'm crying and sinking. I miss you with me and having you clinging. I miss the love that each other were bringing.
I know, right? It doesn't. Hey, Tommy. Why did you fix all my wheels? Why did you polish all of them?
Gotta make work for other people. I'm like Robin Hood. Even though I'm not even charging you for any of the work I do.
There you will.
No.
Yeah, you are.
Anniversary present. Or, no, not anniversary.
It is
engagement
anniversary
present.
engagement.
Your 1 week anniversary.
My 1 week
of your
engagement. Sonia should do the same. Hey, Sonia.
Yeah.
Per Tommy's suggestion, my rap job should really be an engagement present. So, if you don't mind just reversing the transaction
I found your engagement location. That was your payment.
that we couldn't even use.
I know. Is that crazy?
Why
Yep.
am I at 200 PS?
No, my tank is at 200 as well. That's normal. That's literally normal.
Type shit.
Man, why'd you have to do such an amazing thing? I just had one curb rash, man. One curb rash.
I fixed curb rash on the car, and then the back one was
I didn't have
shiny
to
and
do
the
the
front
body
was
work.
not. I was like, fuck!
Didn't have to do the body work, but guess who did it?
Hey!
That was it.
Okay, okay.
I'm gonna take that filler out.
No! How was it? Look how far I am. Look.
Yeah, but you were right here.
Yeah, that's you
That's
see.
close.
You can no. This is close.
So, anyways, calendar films suck in general for installation. But I was able to find.
English.
I'm bilingual, okay?
No, you're not. Beijing. Do you like it? Good. It was so much easier to take my wrap apart. I remember
It
that.
was. No blisters. No blisters. Usually, I lost a few nails.
Can we see that real quick?
No, that's from working out.
See this? Working out. I mean, yeah, working out. Yeah.
So yeah, overall, it wasn't really that bad to work with. The only thing I would say is like larger panels are difficult. So I was able to discover a new technique
Whoa.
to minimize glue lines, and it came out hot. So yeah.
Okay, actually, this does look insane.
Yeah, you.
That does look insane.
Stop.
This motherfucker's looking.
Why are you leaking?
He's looking
Stop
other white cup.
leaking.
No, hold on. Ready? He's looking at white.
I want my car to be white.
Thank you for doing an amazing job, as always.
Thanks for driving.
4.5 hours. Oh my god, the bus ride was so
I
bad.
bet. How long was that?
Focus, I'm trying to rewind that I didn't show love that was currently mine. Now my heart broken and I ain't the why. Searching for motive that I cannot find. I wanna break out this cycle of life. I'm suffocated and feeling confined. I'm confined with my sad thoughts. My actions lead to all bad thoughts. It's not the shit my mom had taught them. I knew better. Fuck, I thought that I could fix it. Made it worse. I can't dismiss it. Made it worse. I can't just rinse it. Made it worse. I gotta fix it. Don't make it worse. I hope that you still about us. I hold